Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. If I ask you a question, what is the keyword for the AI industry in 2025? I guess you already know the answer. AI agent. AI agent is an intelligent system performing specific tasks without humans interfere. For example, your English AI tutor or AI bank agent. I believe you have more chance to talk to an AI rather than a human. For ordinary people like me, I cannot code. How can I create my own AI agent? I want in a game. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Lyzr AI, the best way to build safe and reliable AI agents. This is a topic I want to introduce for a long time, and finally, we have a product to match. Lyzr AI is a platform that I'm looking for a long time. And after several minutes, I already make my own agent, and it's worked like a charm. Let me tell you what is Lyzr AI. So Lyzr AI provides us with one studio, and you can create your own agents with your knowledge base, and you can choose different models to run your agents. Basically, we're playing a role-play game. You can ask your AI to become your personal doctor or your English tutor. And if you own a company, maybe you can use it as your client service guide. Who knows, you can make it into everything. So Lyzr AI is for the everyone, and you can basically use it anywhere. It's both for the business users, for the organizations, and for the individuals like us. You can use it in the banking system, you can use it in your sales plan, and maybe you can create your own marketing manager, wow, and your HR. So it's crazy. For example, if you want to make it into your HR, and also you can use it in your customer service or financial services. So you can make a AI HR and ask him to write the job description or resume screening agent. For the candidate search agent, onboarding assistant agent, you can do it with Lyzr. Wow, this is so cool, and I think this is revolutionary. And don't forget, you can build and deploy to your own services, which means you can create your own app or website. By Lyzr AI, you can make an innovation company, but only you. For the banking industry, also, we can use it for the customer onboarding agent or loan underwriting agent. If you are from the banks, I think you will find it very attractive because you can do so much more. And many giants in the industry already use it, like the Harvard, like the Accenture, and many more. So this is quite amazing. So I cannot wait to try it. So let's go. How to build up an AI agent in Lyzr. So first, you need to click the Agent Studio. Well, and here we are. So we also have tutorials in here. If you know how to code, for example, like the API documentation, I think this is very important for me. All the explanations for the APIs, and you can use it to build up your own applications. And back to the studio, we can find a tutorial here, and we have many examples from the community, and you can experience them. So let's try to click the build agent. So this is the interfaces that we create our very first AI. Let's create a name, my doctor, and the description, my doctor, and we can choose the LLM provider. So we have 3 options, OpenAI, Cloud, and also Google. If you choose Google, you choose Gemini. So I think I'm going with the cloud because I'm a cloud lover. So this is our model. We need to tell the AI the role is, you are my personal doctor, and the AI instructions, let's paste the same. If you click the tool configuration, you will land in here, and you can use like the GitHub or Twitter as your tool. But this time I'm gonna leave it empty. And examples are optional, but you can add the example outputs to guide your agent. And here we have all the core features, for example, like the knowledge base. So if you click the toggle button, and we can upload our very first knowledge base. So what is knowledge base? Basically, in Lyzr AI, sometimes you have very unique knowledges that's not in the ChatGPT, right? It's in your own desk. It's in your own mind. You can put it in the documentations. So it can be your core features of your own AI agents that nobody can compete because they have the knowledge base nobody has. So you can click here to create new. For example, we already created this doctor knowledge base, and we can upload our documentations from here. So you can drag and drop 5 files here, or you can enter a valid website's URL, maybe some websites about flu, something like that, and you can upload, and voila, done. Your AI will suddenly have the unique knowledges of the flu. All right, so we also have a short-term memory and a long-term memory. So if you click the toggle button to have the short-term memories that can memorize the knowledges in the dialogue. So if you click the long-term memory, so enables your agents that can summarize the strategies from the dialogue. And also we can click the humanizer, so which makes the tones of our agents more human. And if you click the reflection, enables the agent to reflect on its responses. And in the future, we also have 2 more functionalities that's in the way. And in the safe AI, we can make your AI agents more fairness and against all the bias. Toxicity check. It is a feature to ensure that the content generated is not toxic or offensive in any matter. So in the future, we have a more toggle button to choose. But right now, let's click the create. Well, your agent has been created. And if everything's are set, you can click the launch as app. Yeah, let's go. Yes, I'm ready. And we need to type the AI names again and choose the categories. I'm choosing the healthcare. And in the visibility, you can choose from the private or public. So this time I'm gonna choose the public and click the launch app. App created successfully. Please check the marketplace. Let's click the view app. Wow, we have our AI agents. See, you can share your agents by click this link and send to a friend. And when they click your link, it will lead to this screen. Yeah, this is a default page of all the AI agents. Hello, as your personal doctor, I'm here to assist you. How may I help you with your health concern today? Let's ask a question. I said I have a cold for 2 days and a fever for 1 day. Now I haven't taken any medicine. There's too many people in the hospital. What do you think I should do? Well, thank you for your patience. I'm here to help you with your current situation. Given that you have a cold for 2 days and a fever for 1 day, so my AI doctor already gave us very detailed diagnosis. I think this is very helpful. I think this is just so much better than Google your flu, right? Can we make it into our own websites or our own applications? Sure you can. So when we back to the studio, click the agents and click your agent. And here we have an agent API. So when we click here, you can find the JSON code for the agent. And also we have this key. With this, you can deploy this AI agent to your website or even make it into your iOS applications. So remember, if you are a programmer or if you know how to use API, you can copy from here and you can use it anywhere you want it. And if you don't want to use it, you can use this URL. When you click the App Store, you can find there's tons of the AI agents, and some of them are very interesting, and you can play around with it and maybe get some inspiration from their works. Okay, this time we're going to create another AI agent that can sophisticately teach us the knowledge of the UX design. So let's click the Build Agent. And let's type name. Okay, about a few seconds, we already fulfill with all the inputs. And in knowledge base, let's click the toggle button here and create a new one. And here we click the create a new UX bootcamp as the description and also for the name. Okay, down. So now we have this knowledge base as a UX bootcamp and click again. And here, let's upload my note about the UX design. Okay, let's click the upload. Okay, successfully upload. So it's in the storage/UX learning. Okay, back to our settings and click the toggle button. Select UX bootcamp, save, and enables both short memory and long time memory. Humanizer. Okay, here for the agent instructions, I think this is too short. But I don't want to waste time thinking and typing stuff. So maybe we can click this input button. Wow, just make things more easier. Okay, cool. And let's click the create button. And now let's click the launch as an app. Yes, I'm ready. US Bootcamp for Education Public Launch app. And if you want to tweak anything, just go ahead and click the update. So back to agents, and we can find US Bootcamp here. And when we click, and we also can click the view app. So now we are in the page of the US Bootcamp. Looks terrific. Let's ask a question. Click the submit button. Okay, my agents already give us the answer, like the interaction designer, visual designer, motion designer. And let's check where the knowledge comes from. So basically, this is a unique answers you can only get from my AI agents. And it works like a charm. I think this is really cool. And not to mention, back to the agent page, and you can deploy this agent to your own website or applications. Make an iOS app and make it to the App Store. And maybe you can start your own business. You can sell in your software. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is all for the Lyzr AI tutorial. I hope you like it. And don't hesitate, just go ahead and build your first AI agent. And I wish you best luck on your agents. That's all for today, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye-bye. Congratulations, you finished this episode. And don't forget to subscribe us, and please click the like button. Also, leave all your questions inside of our comment zone. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.